ISM Auditor app, aiding a digitally systematic and independent verification, by obtaining objective evidence, to determine whether the ship or company safety management system, related activities comply with the ISM code and the company policies, are implemented effectively, to achieve the objectives of the ISM code. App users will receive a sound understanding of ISM code and extensive audit techniques and processes, as well as graphical result of audit and sharing audit report by email as Excel CSV file. Who should have this app? Shipping companies, DPA, quality and compliance managers, superintendents, ships officers, and engineers to audit their shipboard safety management system, that to comply with the requirements of the ISM code and the provisions of the corresponding, the company safety management system, SMS. ISM Auditor app feature. ISM Code Interpretation. Self-checklist by companies. Self-checklist by Master Captain. Simplified ISM Code Terminology Auditors Checklist. Graphical Results Safety Management Compliance. Audit Report Sharing by Email. Port State Control, PSC, List of Detainable Deficiencies, with brief explanations. Free, Analytical Excel Program Dashboard.